The controversy hounding the Good Conduct Time Allowance, which reduces prison time, has reached President Duterte. He has ordered the rearrest of almost 2,000 heinous crimes convicts released since 2014. And the president offers them two choices: surrender in 15 days or
I'll place 1 billion per head, 1 million rather per head, dead or alive.
A few have so far responded to his call.
Pwede mo malaman kung mga ilan, more or less? 10, 20, 30?
Not more than 10.
But what's President Duterte's basis for the rearrest?
Now, there is a law, as related to us in the cabinet meeting by Secretary Guevara, that when you are released based on a wrongful interpretation or a faulty construction of the law, you can be arrested anytime.
President Duterte is actually invoking not a law but two Supreme Court decisions. In the two cases, the Supreme Court found that the jail warden granted the GCTA to prisoners, which was beyond his authority. Thing is, in the release of the almost 2,000 heinous crimes convicts, it's the Bureau of Corrections chief himself who ordered it. Integrated Bar of the Philippines President Domingo Cayosa explains since President Duterte already recognized what former Bureau Corps Chief Nicanor Faeldon did was wrong, is within his authority to correct it.
Ibig sabihin, null and void right from the very beginning yung pagkalaya. So walang basehan. So as if walang na-issue na order. At may basehan para pabalikin ang lahat ng mga yan sa kulungan.
But law professor Carla Cruz points out only courts can provide for the arrest of the released prisoners. Secretary Guevara says there are two ways to do it: go to court or through warrantless arrest.
If they are considered fugitive because they were required to turn themselves in and they did not, that's evading sentence, and that's a crime.
The Justice Department is placing the released heinous crimes convicts under the lookout bulletin order. But what about those who already left the country? National Union of People's Lawyers President Edre Olalia says relying on President Duterte's words will be a shortcut of due process, subject to abuse and arbitrariness. Olalia can't help but ask, what about the fate of those deserving under GCTA? Anjo Alimario, CNN Philippines.